Welcome to the iQueueCloud Getting Started video series. In this video, we'll take a look at users, licenses, and security groups. Let's start by logging into the application. Enter your email address and password, then click the Login button. As always, we begin at the dashboard, just a couple of clicks away from our destination. Click the main menu icon in the banner. Click Users and Security Groups. Click Users. The user listing page is displayed. Here you can add and edit user information and manage license assignments. Here's a search trick you'll want to remember. Enter the % sign and press the Enter key to list all users. On the right side of each row in the table, you'll see an edit icon and a license icon. More on that in a bit. To add a new user to your organization, click the Add icon at the top of the page. Enter the requested information. The email address you enter becomes the login ID for the user. Enter a mobile number if you want this user to be able to opt in for text message notifications. You can also designate System Security Group membership. Security groups can also be managed later. When you're ready, click the Add User button. The user listing will show the newly added user. Click the Edit icon, the pencil, to make changes to a user record. On this page, note that some fields can't be updated. You can update the user first name and last name, the mobile number, and status. Inactive users can't log into the application. Consider also removing their license if they have a license assigned. This panel also shows System Security Group membership, but you can't update these assignments here. More on that in a bit. Next, we'll take a look at assigning and removing licenses. We're on the user listing page and want to display all user records. Let's use our % search trick. The license icon is located to the far right of each user row. The shield icon with a slash allows you to remove an assigned license. The shield icon with no slash allows you to assign a license. In order to log into iQueueCloud, the user must have an assigned license. A user license can be assigned as long as your organization has an unused license available. With just 2 clicks, you can remove a license from one user and add a license to another user. If you run out of licenses before the next renewal, your organization administrator can add bridge licenses at any time. We've mentioned security groups a few times, so this is a great time to transition. Click the banner main menu icon. Click Users and Security Groups. Then click Security Groups. There are 2 kinds of security groups, system and user-defined. Members of the System Administrators group will see both kinds on this page. System groups provide application-level access to features. User-defined groups provide editor and viewer access to proflows. Click the Manage Members icon to add or remove users from a given security group. To add a user, search and then click the Add icon. To remove a user, click the Delete icon. In addition to membership management, you can also manage basic information for user-defined groups. One important note here is that if you make a security group inactive, it will no longer be available for assignment to a ProFlow. We've covered a lot of ground, adding and editing user data, managing license assignments, and managing security groups. Don't forget that this video is always available if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching.